Hello, and guess who's back, guys? Yep, I'm back. Another week of Pokemon Crown Zenith opening to complete my master set. And welcome back, and thank you for tuning in. If you are, it means the world to me. So this is the fourth installment of my Crown Zenith opening. Tonight, we're taking it up a notch. We're breaking the 10 packs boundary and we're going into 15 packs. We'll be opening 3 tin boxes of the 3 legendary birds. Yep, this is it, guys. We're going with the tin collection boxes of Zapdos, Moltres, and Articuno. So without any further ado, let's crack into them. Let's quench my thirst for Pokemon packs. My insatiable thirst for opening Pokemon packs. We're going with the Zapdos one. And you know, if you've been following me, you know, I was like putting up these products against each other, seeing which one gives me the better pulls. Let's look at this promo card first with Zapdos. The Galarian Zapdos, to be exact. The originals, the OGs, the OG Trio Birds were so much better. So much better. I don't know what's with the remake. I like to call these ones the IMPOSTER Trio Birds. But nevertheless, it's a beautiful card. Cool for you guys. And we have 5 packs out of one tin. So we are going for 15 in total. We'll put it in front of the Zapdos. Next up, I'll just, first of all, the cool card for you guys. Throw it over. Get rid of it. I don't care. It's on my shoulder. Now this Moltres, I gotta tell you, this is a pretty good artwork. That looks really nice. The flaming wings, black and the pink flames. It's pretty nice on this Moltres. It's pretty nice. Cool. And let's have a look at this promo card. A beautiful Galarian Articuno flying through the rainforest. Nice. About to have a legendary bird triple threat. Alright, guys, let's start off with the Zapdos. First pack from the Zapdos. 15 packs for greatness. 15 packs for glory. Can we do it? Let's find out. Code card. Come on. Give me something good. Give me something good. The reverse is just a bit of nothing out of the first one. Come on, Zabby. Give me something good, Zabby. Go for you guys. Second pack from Zapdos. What do we got? Do we got anything good? And we do have a Burl, Galarian Gallery, and we have a Simisear V. So that was a double hitter. That was a double hitter pack. Next pack for Zapdos. Come on, Zabby. Give me that Zapdos lightning. Hit me with some lightning pulls right now. Nothing out of this one. Only a reverse execute and not even a Holloway Lord. Last 2 packs for Zapdos. We start off with the freaking Galarian Mr. Mime. You know what happens when you get Mr. Mimes in a pack? You get nothing out of that pack. And I'll show you. I'll show you that I got not. Oh, maybe. Oh, I was wrong. It's a very beautiful Galarian Gallery. A Manaphy. I don't have this, so that takes me closer to my master set. Yes, let's go. Nothing out of the back. Last pack for Zapdos. Last pack from the first tin. Let's go. Can we do anything better than a Galarian Gallery? We did worse on that one, and oh wow. I mean, we did a bit better. Rare. Energy with texture. Okay. Not bad. Not bad out of the first tin. We got a few number of hits, but not the right hit. Not the hit that I'm looking for. I'm hoping to hit something big, but maybe it just doesn't want to happen. Going through a dry spell. Code card for you guys, so let's start. This is the first pack for Moltres. We're on the second tin. We got another mystery map on that one, and yeah, nothing out of this pack. Second pack for Moltres. Can't wait to do my 151 openings for the channel. It's driving me crazy. Yeah, it's a Pikachu Galarian Gallery, a beautiful one at that. The only way you can pull this out of V-Star universe is out of a God pack, though. Here you just kind of get it in the Galarian Gallery. It's so much harder to pull in the V-Star. I haven't tried going for a God pack V-Star, but we'll get there. We'll get there eventually. Third pack from Moltres. Code for you guys. Alright, let's hope we can do something great in this pack. Come on. Going for greatness and a Radiant Charger Bug. Every time, man. Every time opening Crown Zenith with the Radiance. Radiant Charger Bug. Radiant that. Radiant this. Give me the big cards. Give me the big cards. Come on. Second last pack from Moltres. Code card. Come on. Give me a Galarian Gallery texture, please. An ultra rare. I haven't pulled ultra in so long. We have a reverse psychic energy. And nothing out of the back. No golds. Come on. I need me some luck. I need me some prayers. Code. I know we can get it. I know we can do something great. Something big. Come on. Nah. And a Geraldine V. Just a V. For the Moltres. From the Moltres pack. Alright guys. Here comes the last pack. Last 5 packs out of the last 10. The Articuno 10. 5 chances to pull an ultra rare Galarian Gallery or a secret rare Galarian Gallery. That being the 4 gold cards. I would love nothing more. But then again, I just love opening packs. Nothing from this one. We got the Digging Duo reverse and a Galarian Berserker. Nothing out of the first one for Articuno. This hobby is so great, man. Makes you feel like a kid. Makes you feel nostalgic of the times when your mom was buying you cards when you were little. Next pack. Execute a Rockluff. Still no Galarian Galleries. That's 3 packs. Whoa. What happened to that? Code card. Please. Please. Give it to me. No. Nothing out of that pack either. Last 2 packs. For Articuno. Hasn't been doing well at all. Code. Second last pack. Guys, if you like the content, please Please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section how you liking them. Don't be too rough. Just starting out. And there we do have a Galarian Gallery. We have a DNC, and the rare is just a hollow Sign Leon. So that's our first hit from that Articuno tin. Not a great tin, unless we can do something really great with this last pack from the Articuno tin. Code. Let's do this. Last pack, last chance to go for gold, to go for ultra rares from the Galarian Gallery. And we're rolling. And we do got nothing, and we have an EV. Yay! No yay. No yays. So nothing too crazy, guys, but we did get a number of hits out of 15 packs. So let's look at the promos first. There's the Galarian Zapdos, we have the Galarian Moltres, and the Galarian Articuno, as I like to call him, the Imposter Trio Birds. We got the Psychic Reverse, we got the Fighting, which is part of the set, numbered texture. We got a Radiant Charger Bug like any other Crown Zenith opening. We got a EVV, we got a Simisear V, we got a Geraldine V, we got a Pikachu Galarian Gallery. It's a beautiful card. We have the Manaphy Galarian Gallery, which I get to add to my binder. We have a DNC and a Bibarel. Alright guys, that's it for this opening. Another one without any ultra rares or any secret rares, but I'm hoping I'm gonna do better next time. If you have liked, you know what to do. Press the right buttons so you get all the right notifications and you're up to date with my collections, and maybe if I do a giveaway, you'll be the first one to know. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one, and I hope you have a good one. Bye bye.